Hello friends, I am Raju Sanpal, Member Board of Studies Balbharti. I work in Abhinav Vidyalay and Junior College Nandurbar. Friends, today I am going to present information transfer activity and that too non-verbal to verbal information. So let's begin with the activity. Today we shall try to transfer the non-verbal information into verbal form. Friends, the information before you is a non-verbal information and we are asked to transfer it into verbal form. एक टेबल फॉर्मॅटमध्ये आपल्याला इन्फॉर्मेशन दिली आहे. The table given below it gives the information. This is a tabular format information. And what are you supposed to do? You are supposed to write a short paragraph. आपल्याला या टेबलच्या मदतीनं इथे जी इन्फॉर्मेशन दिली आहे, विथ द हेल्प ऑफ दिस इन्फॉर्मेशन वी आर सपोज टू राईट अ शॉर्ट पॅरेग्राफ. नाउ हाऊ कॅन यू डेव्हलप अ पॅरेग्राफ? तो पॅरेग्राफ कसा डेव्हलप करणार? दिस instruction itself gives us the idea. It has some keywords. Now what is this table about? This table is about awards that the students have received. Two students, Abhiman and Sanjana. Their names, Abhiman and Sanjana. Okay, their age is given. Abhiman is 18 years old, Sanjana is 15 years old. Is it clear? Now where do they study? Abhiman studies in higher secondary school and Sanjana studies in secondary school. Awards they received. Abhiman received Bravery Award. Sanjana has received Bal Puraskar. When, kadhi, date is given, तारीख आहे दिली आहे. On 26th January 2013, Sanjana received the award on the same day, 26th January 2013. Abhiman received this award at the hands of collector. Sanjana received this award at the hands of Tahsildar. Abhiman received this award at a district level program, whereas Sanjana received this award in a Tahsil level program. So understanding a tabular information, understanding a table format information is quite simple. आपल्याला सहज लक्षात येते. आता महत्त्वाचा प्रश्न असा असतो की हाऊ टू डेव्हलप अ पॅरेग्राफ. एक पॅरेग्राफ कसा डेव्हलप करायचा? फ्रेंड्स, याचे काही की पॉईंट्स आहेत. ट्राय टू बी ॲज सिम्पल ॲज पॉसिबल. जेवढं सोप्यात सोपे सेंटेन्सेस तुम्हाला तयार करता येतील त्या पद्धतीनं करा. राईट शॉर्ट सेंटेन्सेस, राईट सिम्पल सेंटेन्सेस. आणि शॉर्ट सेंटेन्सेस असे हवेत सब्जेक्ट वर्ब ऑब्जेक्ट, सब्जेक्ट वर्ब कॉम्प्लिमेंट असे सेंटेन्सेस असायला हवेत. ट्राय टू बी ॲज सिम्पल ॲज पॉसिबल. सो लेट्स से आपण बघूया. ॲज आय टोल्ड यू, try to be as simple as possible. Now look at this sentence. Abhiman is 18 years old. Okay, he studies in higher secondary school. He studies in higher secondary school. He has received Bravery Award on 26th January. हे सेंटेन्स आपण ॲज इट इज उचललंय. ॲट द हँड्स ऑफ कलेक्टर इन अ डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल प्रोग्राम. ओके, सेम थिंग कॅन बी रिटन अबाउट संजना. लुक, संजना इज 15 years old. शी स्टडीज इन secondary school. Abhiman studies in higher secondary school. Sanjana studies in secondary school. Subject, verb, complement. She has received Bal Puraskar. Look, subject, verb, and this is object. She has received Bal Puraskar on 26th January 2013 at the hands of Tahsildar in a Tahsil level program. In this way, friends, you can easily develop a good paragraph. Now, look, this paragraph contains almost 6 lines. This contains 6 lines. So, writing 6 lines is quite simple. As I told you earlier, subject verb complement or subject verb object, and be as simple as possible. So in this way, friends, you can score out of marks using the keywords given in your activity sheet. So that's all for today. Friends, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. In this way, friends, watching my videos will update you with all the new activities and new techniques. All the best.